Okay, so let's do exciting step 11 here. Okay, now make the graph as big as you can. Pick an upwardly concave section of the graph and click the curve fit button. So let's do that. I'll show you what that means. So let's make this graph big. It doesn't say it yet in the directions, but you also want to, we don't want to look at the x. Okay, x, we don't need x. Okay, so just click on this thing. It'll bring up a menu. Turn x off, and then we can just look at the y. Now, upwardly concave. This is upwardly concave. That's upwardly concave. This last bit is upwardly concave. I'm going to choose this guy right here because because it looks like it's got the biggest acceleration, this little part here. Notice that this right about here is an inflection point. So it's going from downwardly concave to upwardly concave. I kind of want to steer clear of that. So I'm going to choose these points here. Okay. And then we want to do a curve fit. So I'm going to go, boom, curve fit, apply curve fit, like that. Linear is a bad curve fit. We want quadratic, okay? And then apply it. It's like, oh, look at that, okay? And this is cool. So see that little coefficient there, that A? Okay, that 4.052. That is exactly half of our acceleration. Because remember, the formula for relating distance and acceleration is that x or s equals 1/2 at squared, right? And this a coefficient is what's multiplied by t squared, okay? So that 4.052 is actually half of the actual acceleration, so 4.052, okay? Now, what we want to do is actually do a screenshot. We're going to screenshot this into our slideshow. This is my slideshow. I want to put these on this page there. And I want to screenshot it. It's pretty much the only way to get it in there, okay? So let's see, how do we screenshot? Well, let's take a look. And it depends on your OS. If you're using a Chromebook, you're going to do Control, Shift, and then the screenshot key is the little key that's got the squares on it above the 6, okay? It's right below the screen. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do Control, Shift, Command. If I can figure out all those buttons, right? Okay, Control, Shift, Command, 4. Okay, and these are the best screenshots. I know a lot of screenshots just save it to your drive or something like that. But really, I never want to. I mean, I have to delete it later, right? So I just want it on the clipboard, and then I want to paste it where it goes. Okay, so I'm going to use the Mac command. You can use whatever command you want to screenshot this. Okay, and I just want this. So I'm doing the Mac thing, and then on the Mac it brings up a little thing that shows us where we are in the thing, which is kind of cool. Like there's 0, 0, and you can see the resolution of the screen. Sorry, I'm just geeking out here. And you want to include the image and the this and the that, you know. It's very impressive. And it does a little kuchk, right? The fake Pentax. And then I'm going to click on here and I'm going to paste, which on a Mac is Command V. Okay, well, that's way too big. Let's make it smaller, shall we? Okay, there it is. Now, we got that was 4.052, which that's half the acceleration. So if I multiply by 2, I get 8.104. Okay. So I'm going to put a little text box in here to show my teacher that I know what's going on. Okay. Upwards. Upward acceleration, colon. 2 times, what was it, 4.052? Equals 8.104. 104. That's positive 8.104. I'll put a plus there in case you didn't know. All right, there it is. Okay. So that's my step 11, I think. Did we do all of step 11? I feel like we did. There it is. Yeah. All right.